Which country is the Golden Temple located? A. India, B. Nepal, C. Pakistan. Correct answer is A. India. When is Gandhi Jayanti celebrated? A. The 15th of August, B. The 2nd of October, C. 26 January. Correct answer is B. 2 October. Which country provides free internet services? A. Finland, B. India, C. Japan. Correct answer is A. Finland. How many total rooms are there in the Taj Mahal? A. 20, B. 22, C. 24. Correct answer is B. 22. People of which country worship the most? A. India, B. China, C. Japan. Correct answer is A. India. How many liters of water can an elephant drink at one time? A. 50 liters, B. 100 liters, C. About 200 liters. Correct answer is C. About 200 liters. Which Indian state receives the least rainfall? A. Rajasthan, B. Gujarat, C. Punjab. Correct answer is A. Rajasthan. Which animal gets angry the most? A. Lion, B. Honey badger, C. Elephant. Correct answer is B. Honey badger. Deficiency of which vitamin prevents blood from clotting? A. Vitamin A, B. Vitamin K, C. Vitamin C. Correct answer is B. Vitamin K. Which creature can sleep for up to 4 years? A. Frog, B. Snake, C. Snail. Correct answer is C. Snail. In which industry of India are there the most female workers? A. IT industry, B. Textile industry, C. Steel industry. Correct answer is B. Textile industry. What is one of the names of Lord Ganesha? A. Ganapati, B. Kartikeya, C. Nandi. Correct answer is A. Ganapati. What is the color of the wheel in the Indian flag? A. Black, B. Blue, C. Green. Correct answer is B. Blue. Which is the most intelligent creature after humans? A. Elephant, B. Dolphin, C. Dog. Correct answer is B. Dolphin. Where is the world's largest airport located? A. Dubai, B. Saudi Arabia, C. USA. Correct answer is B. Saudi Arabia. Which living being has the slowest heartbeat? A. Elephant, B. Blue whale, C. Tortoise. Correct answer is B. Blue whale. Where is the largest hospital in India located? A. Mumbai, B. Delhi, C. Chennai. Correct answer is B. Delhi. Leaves of which tree are used to make medicine? A. Mango, B. Neem, C. Peepal. Correct answer is B. Neem. In which Indian state is a fine of 10,000 rupees imposed for having a third child? A. Bihar, B. Assam, C. Uttar Pradesh. Correct answer is B. Assam. Which is the most polluted river in India? A. Yamuna, B. Ganga, C. Godavari. Correct answer is A. Yamuna.